LiTech Power, advanced lithium technology for power solutions. At LiTech Power, we specialize in providing OEM and custom-made battery solutions, focusing on the development and production of lithium-ion, lithium phosphate and LTO batteries. Our products are tailored for a wide range of industries, including industrial equipment, medical devices, electric mobility, household applications, UPS systems, energy storage solutions, telecommunications, military use, and more. With decades of expertise in battery technology and a highly skilled engineering team, we deliver comprehensive solutions for all battery needs. We're proud to support numerous major global brands behind the scenes. Our cutting-edge battery management system BMS technology enables us to cover a full range of voltage systems, from low voltage like 3.2 volts, 3.7 volts, 11.1 volts, 12 volts setups to high voltage systems up to 890 volts. All core technologies, including the hardware and BMS, are designed and manufactured in-house. Thanks to the support from our German branch office, we have successfully delivered over 100,000 custom-made lithium battery packs in the past 12 months, powering a diverse array of applications. With our new production facilities, we have the capacity to produce over 2 gigawatt-hours of batteries annually. When you partner with LiTech, you can be confident that your projects are fully supported and in reliable hands. LiTech is your trusted partner for tailored battery solutions, offering custom-designed battery packs that deliver reliable and durable power for your specific applications. We don't just provide high-quality battery hardware, we also bring years of expertise and comprehensive service to ensure the best possible performance. We invite you to visit our facilities in both China and Germany at any time, and we look forward to collaborating with you on your next project. At LiTech, we're committed to powering your success with our knowledge and innovation.